Now we will start solving the exercise 1.1 of the NCERT book. The first question is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are the integers and Q is not equal to 0? So first question, we have to represent Q, we have to represent the 0 in the form of P upon Q. We know that if we will write any number below the 0, then it will always give us the 0. Then we can write the 0 upon 1, which is in the form of P upon Q, 0 upon 2, which is also in the form of P upon Q, 0 upon 3, which is in the form of P upon Q. So a 0 can be written in the form of P upon Q. So we can give the answer of this question. Yes, 0 is a rational number and we can write 0 in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Now move to the second question. Find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. A number which can be written in the form of P upon Q will known as a rational number. So we have to find out the 6 rational number between 3 and 4. So there is a 2 method to find out the rational number between the given 2 numbers. The first method is simply add the given 2 numbers and divide it by the 2. Here A equal to 3 and B equal to 4. Now add the given 2 numbers and divide by 2. The number will be the 4 and 3, 7 upon 2 is equal to 3.5. The first number between 3 and 4 is 3.5, which we have calculated with the help of A plus B upon 2. Now we have to find out the another one, because we have to find out the total 6 rational number between 3 and 4. Now the next number can be calculated with the help of 3 and 3.5, or with the help of 3.5 and 4. Now add these 2 numbers and divide by 2. 6.5 upon 2, and the number will be the now the number between the 3.25, 3.5 and 4. There is 2 rational number between 3 and 4 and we have to find out the 6 rational number. Then the next number can be calculated with the help of 3 and 3.5, or 3.5 to 3.25, or with the help of 3.25 or 4, or you can find out the next number by using the 3.5 or 4. So there are infinitely many rational number between any 2 numbers. This is the first method, and you have to find out the another 4 rational number. And solve it further by using your own method and post the comment. I will check it you have solved the further question correctly or not. Now the another method to find out the rational number between the given 2 numbers. There is 2 numbers 3 and 4, and we have to find out the 6 rational number How can we find out? The rational number is in the form of P upon Q. Then make the first number 3 in the form of P upon Q and the last one. So write down the 1 in the denominator and multiply the given number by the 6 in the numerator and the denominator. Multiply the 6 in the numerator and denominator. The number is 18 upon 6 and the another one is 24 upon 6. Now you can write down the number between the 18 and 24 like as 19 upon 6, 20 upon 6, 21 upon 6, 22 upon 6, 23 upon 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 rational number, and if you want to calculate the more than 5, 6 or 7, then you can multiply in the 3 by the same number and the multiply in the denominator by the same number, 4 upon 1, because there will no effect on the rational number when we multiply the same number in the numerator and the denominator. The final number will be the 24 upon 8, 32 upon 8, 25, 26 upon 8, 27 upon 8, 29 upon 8, 30 upon 8, and 31 upon 8. Or the number between the 3 upon 3 and 4 can be written in the form of 3.5, 3.75, 4 is the next one. Or you can write the many rational number between the given two number, 3.01, 3.10, 3.15, 3.20, 3.25, 3.30, and up to the 4. Then you can write the infinitely many rational number between the given two numbers. So this is the second method, and it is the first method to calculate the rational number between any two numbers. Now move to the question number 3rd. Find the 5 rational number between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Simply apply the first method, a plus b upon 2. Then here we will 3 upon 5 will known as a and 4 upon 5 will known as a 4 upon 5. Now add these two numbers and divide it by 2. Solve it further. 7 upon 5, 7 upon 10. Then the number between 3 upon 5, 7 upon 10 and 4 upon 5. Now you can find out the next rational number by using the 3 upon 5 or 7 upon 10 or 7 upon 10 or 4 upon 5. So you can solve it further to find out the rational numbers, find out the total rational number 5 between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Now we will move forward to the question number 4. State whether the following statement are true or false and give reason. Every natural number is a whole number. Natural number will always start from 1 2 3 4, and whole number is always start from 1 2 3 4 5. So every natural number is a whole number. Yes, because 1 2 3 4 5 is a part of a whole number. And the another one, integer is a whole number. Integer is in the form of -2 -1 0 1 2 3. So every integer, first one is true. Every integer is a whole number. No, false, because -2 -1 -0 is not the part of whole number. So second one is false. Every rational number is a whole number. Rational number is always represented in the form of p upon q. Example 3 upon 2, 7 upon 5. So 3 upon 2 and 7 upon 5 is not in the form of whole number. So the rational number will not be the whole number. So I have explained all the questions number 1 2 3 and 4 of the exercise 1.1 from the Ncert of class 9th. So if you have any problem, any query, then you can post the comment in the comment box.